In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a still in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the color page. This is where you will perform the majority of your color grading and visual effects work. The color page is designed specifically for making adjustments to your clips and creating high-quality outputs. Once you click on the color page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will see your clips on the left and various tools on the right. This is an essential step because moving to the correct page sets the stage for all your editing tasks. Next, move the playhead to the frame you want to save as a still. The playhead is that vertical line that indicates your current position in the timeline. You can drag it manually or use the playback controls to find the exact moment you want to capture. When you find the right frame, ensure that it is visible in the viewer. This step is crucial because the still you are about to create will be a snapshot of this exact frame, which might be useful for promotional materials or reference purposes later on. Now, right-click on the viewer image. This is where the magic begins. When you right-click, a context menu will appear, offering various options related to the image displayed. It is important to ensure that you are clicking directly on the viewer image, as this is where DaVinci Resolve recognizes your intent to capture a still. You will see several options, and knowing how to navigate this menu is a vital skill in the software. From there, click on Grab Still. This action captures the current frame as a still image and saves it within the project. After selecting this option, you will notice a small confirmation indicating that the still has been successfully created. This step is important because you are now saving a visual representation of your work, which can be used for various purposes later. The still will appear in the gallery. The gallery is a dedicated space where all your created stills are stored. You can find it on the left side of the color page. Take a moment to look at the gallery and see your newly created still. This area allows you to organize and access all your still images conveniently. Understanding how to navigate the gallery can enhance your workflow significantly as it keeps all your important visuals in one place. To export the still, right-click the still in the gallery. This action opens another context menu with additional options related to exporting. It is essential to select the correct still you wish to export, as this ensures you are working with the right visual. Once you have selected it, you can proceed to the next steps confidently. Choose Export. This option allows you to export your selected still to your computer or another storage device. After clicking Export, you will be prompted to select the file format. You can choose from formats like PNG, JPG, or TIFF. This flexibility is vital as it allows you to choose the best format based on your intended use for the still image. Finally, choose a location and save. A dialog box will appear where you can navigate to your desired folder. After selecting the location, click Save. This final step ensures that your still is not only created but also stored safely where you can easily access it later. Your still is now ready for use in any project, whether for social media, presentations, or personal reference. With that complete, you have successfully created and exported a still in DaVinci Resolve. Congratulations on learning this valuable skill.